Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. Today I am going to tell you about the 3 best camera. So let's start it. The first one is Canon EOS 80D digital SLR kit with EF S18 to 55mm f3.5 into 5.6 image stabilization STM lens. 45-point all across type AF system allow for superb autofocus when shooting with the optical viewfinder and focusing area selection modes. Intelligent viewfinder with the approximately 100% viewfinder coverage. DIGIC 6 image processor 3.0 into 1.4 m dot Vari-Angle Touchscreen. 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor help providing impressive high-resolution result. Dual-pixel CMOS AF expanded ISO 25600 up to 7 FPS shooting. Built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, RGB+IR 7560 into pixel meter sensor. This pre-owned product has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by Amazon qualified suppliers. There will be no visible cosmetic imperfection when held at arm length. Product with the batteries will exceed 80% capacity relative to new. Accessory may not be original but will be compatible, and fully functional product may come in generic box. The next is Canon EOS 80D digital SLR camera body with the Canon EF S18 to 55mm 5.6 is STM lens 3 lens DSLR kit. Canon EOS 80D to 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor. DIGIC 6 image processor up to 7 fps shooting ISO 100 to 25600 built-in Wi-Fi with the NFC 3.104 m dot touchscreen LCD full HD 1080p video recording 86 fps 45-point all cross type AF dual pixel CMOS AF RGB+IR 7560 into pixel metering sensor. Canon 80D camera lenses, flash 64GB cases, tripped filter, card reader, hood card case plus more. Canon EOS 80D with the 18 to 55mm lens, international model, no manufacturer's warranty. The last is Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera 32.5 MP sensor with EF S18 to 135mm lens. 2-pack SanDisk 32GB memory card, backpack, full-size script and A-call accessory bundle. Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera bundle comes complete with all manufacturer supplies accessory and include 1 year manufacturer warranty. Canon 90D is a high-resolution 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor as well as broad sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 25600 and DIGIC 8 image processor. Dual pixel CMOS AF systems. Touchscreen 3.0 into 1.04 m dot LCD monitor feature a vari-angle design to permit working from high and low angle, and these touchscreen design. Included with the camera body is a Canon EF S18 to 135mm lens. That's all for now. To check this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.